Hello everyone, so in this video I am going to show you how the combination of lambda function, which is anonymous by nature, and filter function with the use of list can be very handy in certain situations. So here we are using the filter function, which used to filter out the desired conditions, which used to work upon the condition that we give, and it filter out the desired output. And also with the combination of lambda and list, how can we actually search out the values which are odd from a list. That means this following program will show you how to filter out the odd numbers from a list, okay, using lambda function, using filter function, and also using list function. Let us do it. So for that, here we are using the list constructor, or you can call it as a function, and then this filter function is applied over there. And finally we have the anonymous function with the use of lambda keyword, which is, this function is having no name. This function is having no name. So here I think we should give this one. So here we are going to find the values which are odd by nature from this given list, So in this program we are going to show the combination of lambda function, the filter function, and with the use of list function, how to trace out the odd values from a list. For that we have used the list function, and then on that we have, top of that we have used filter function, and then finally the anonymous lambda function that will extract these with this logic x modulo 2 not equal to 0. With this logic it will fetch out the odd values from the list, okay, and then finally it will print it. So let us see. Here we have a little bit of change here. So here I have declared this all number list, which have these values 20 to 27, and then finally we are implementing that. So let's see whether it works. So you see the odd number has been fetched out, the odd values have been printed. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel Programming Circle. Thank you.